My name is Rachel Marks. I'm American. I'm here based in Paris. The name of the installation is Esoprantem, which seems like a crazy made-up word, and it is. It's the word métamorphose, metamorphosis in French, backwards. So it's talking about going back to our natural source, back to the origin, which is exactly what we've done here with the books. We're kind of losing touch with reading and with educating, and everything's becoming very digital and very fast today. Nature is also something that's being kind of forgotten about.
How long did it take you?
So this installation has taken about 2 months of extremely intensive work. It's allowed me to really reflect on the majesty of trees. I mean, look, I've created this thing that says so much bigger than me, so much more powerful than me, more beautiful than me. The frame is in iron. So I had to weld all those, and then after I put grid around that, and then paper mache, and then paper mache all the book pages on. But it's quite interesting to start with almost like a human-like skeleton under this organic tree. By reaching these emotions, hopefully we can all come together and try to change things and make the future a better place.